Alright, we've got something here that says simplify, and what we're doing is we're trying to simplify rational expressions. The one we have here is the fraction 6b over b minus 4, and that fraction is added to the fraction 1 over b plus 1. So since these two fractions are added together, by simplify we mean try to combine them into one fraction and then reduce anything we can. So when we add two fractions together, we need common denominator. So there's a b minus 4 in one and a b plus 1 in the other. The first one has the b minus 4, so it needs the b plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the first fraction by b plus 1 over b plus 1. And the second fraction, to make that common denominator, I'll multiply by b minus 4 over b minus 4. So by multiplying the top and bottom by the same thing, I'm not changing the value, I'm just changing the way it looks. Okay, so I'm going to have one great big fraction now, and it's going to have a common denominator of b minus 4, b plus 1. Okay, and I could multiply those together, but if we're going to try and cancel out any common factors after we add them together, we probably want to leave it factored. That way it'd be obvious if anything is going to cancel out. So the first fraction we were multiplying 6b times b plus 1, so I'm going to distribute that. So it'll be 6b squared plus 6b. And the other one was 1 times b minus 4, so it'll be plus b minus 4. So let's see here. In that case, what do we have? We get 6b squared plus 7b minus 4 all over b minus 4 times b plus 1. And I don't think anything is going to cancel here. So just let me see for really quick if anything factors here. Two things that I'm trying to factor at the top. Two things that multiply together give me negative 24 and add up to be 7. So I need two things that would be 7 apart. 2 and 12, 3 and 8. No, this thing does not factor. So it looks like we're going to leave it like this. 6b squared plus 7b minus 4 over b minus 4 times b plus 1. Thank you.